A good workflow, enough storage and ease of motion are the three essentials for a quality kitchen. A well-organised kitchen will save you time and energy. Your kitchen should be divided into zones based by function, consumables, cleaning, preparation and cooking. All that you need for each activity zone should be contained within that area. So for instance, food in the consumable zone, utensils in the food preparation zone, and cooking appliances in the cooking zone. Blum offer a range of tools to help with zones and storage and the overall flow and function of your kitchen. Look at enhancing your workflow area by utilising clever storage and access systems. Make the most of your available space with deep drawers, inner dividing systems, box storage and vertical solutions. Utilise motion and high quality fittings for enhanced convenience and effortless function. Blum's servo drive technology uses intelligent handleless built-in devices to allow for hands-free access to your drawers and cabinets. Utilise these principles and solutions for planning your perfect kitchen.